Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to do gel nail extensions. At the very first stage we prepare the nails. We use an antiseptic agent, remove cuticle, file the nails and remove the natural gloss from them with a file. Keep in mind not to file the nails, we are to make a rough matte surface only. Use a sanitizer to remove remaining dust and apply a bond. For the first layer, I use the base gel. Apply a thin layer of it, avoiding any contact with the cuticle. This will make the gel exfoliate. Now I will knit an extension foam. Glue the middle circle to the inner part evenly and center it. Cut out a cavity if necessary, so that the entire natural nail could fit the foam. Please note that if you have cut at least one foam, you should spread the gel according to the cells when doing the extension, so that you could get the nails of the same length. Glue the foam edges and dry it on. I will make 2 cuts on the foam to make the gel nail look more aesthetically pleasing. Anyway, the foam should hold tight after all these manipulations. There should be no gap between the nail and the foam. I take a small amount of milky gel. Shape a nail of a desired length and form. At this stage, it is important not to do beyond the nail plate sides. It's quite natural for the gel to spread. Therefore, just don't take too much gel with the brush and it won't spread as crazy. It should be neither thick nor thin, almost flush with the natural nail. Remove the foam carefully and spread the second sculptural layer over gel. Now our task is to form the right nail architecture. Strengthen the stress zone. In the smile area there should be a thicker layer of material. In the cuticle area and on the tip there should be a thinner gel layer. Remove the sticky layer and file the nails to make the shape you want. No balm should remain on the nail surface. Don't forget to check the symmetry along the inner part of the nail. If the nail thickness is alright, color the nail with a top coat or apply a thin even layer of the gel. Thank you for watching it, look forward to your comments, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.